Okay, my students, last topic of the week, and that's multiplying matrices. So, it's just a method they came up with. And here's how you do it. First, you take the dimensions, which this is a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. This is a 2 by 2. And if I want to do A times B, I have to check to make sure this, the second number of the dimension, is the same as the first number of the dimension. If it's not, then I can't multiply them. So far I'm okay. Now, A, B, C, D, I want to multiply to M, N, O, P. Okay, here's how you do it. You take the first row, turn it, and multiply it to the first column. So it'd be AM plus BO. Then the first row to the second column, A to N plus BP. Now you go the second row to the first column, 2, 1, CM plus DO. And then the first row to the second column, CN plus DP. So one more time, you take the first row, turn it 90 degrees, rotate it, then multiply it to the first column. This term to this term, this term to this term. Then first row to second column, AN plus BP. Then CM plus DO, CN plus DP. So let's look at a problem. So let's say I got 4 matrices. Here we are, 4 matrices. Let's move this up a little bit. Okay, that's a little better, I think. Now, I want to multiply A to B. So that would be 3, 4, 1, 2 to 1, 0, 2, 1. Now first, this is a 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 2. So the middle two are the same, so I'm okay. So here I go. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. Then 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 8. Then 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 times 2 is 2. So that's my multiplied matrix. So let's do B to C. 1, 0, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1, 1. Now this is a 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 2. So the middle numbers are the same, so we're okay. So 1 times 5 is 5. 0 times 1 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 0 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 and 1 is 1. That's 11. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Woohoo! Let's do C and D. Now C is a 2 by 2. D is a 2 by 3. So the middle are the same, so we're okay. So C is 5, 2, 1, 1. And D is 4, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. So It'd be 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 times 3 is 6, so that would be 16. And 5 and 0, 0, plus 1 times 2 is 2. Now we do 1 and 1. 1 times 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 1 and 2 is 2, plus 3 is 5. And 1 and 0, 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Woohoo! Now let's do D and C. D is a 2 by 3. And C is a 2 by 2. Oh no! Can't do it. So notice what would happen if we look at the last problem. It'd be 420, and I turn it multiplied to 51. There's not enough terms. So right now, see if you can do B times A and A times C, and then turn me back on. So there's the top ones. So B times A and A times C. Okay, B is 1, 0, 2, 1. And A is 3, 4, 1, 2. So it'd be 1 times 3, 0 times 4. That's 3. 1 times 1, 0 times 2. That's 1. Because 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times 2 is 0. Then second row, first column, 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4, so that's 10. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Woohoo! So 2 and 2, 2 and 2, so I'm still okay. So 3, 4, 1, 2, oops. And let's see, C is 5, 2, 1, 1. So it's 3, 5 is 15, 1 and 1 is 1, so that's 16. 3 and 2 is 6. 1 and 1 is 1, so that would be 7. Now 4 and 2, 4 times 5 is 20, 1 and 2 is 2, so that's 22. And then 8 and 2 is 10. How'd that go? Not too bad? Okay. Well, the homework this week is this assignment 194, these problems, then it's 175. I'll put it on Schoology in just a little bit. Have a good day.